was rumored that the Galaxy S8 could be the first Samsung device to house an in-display fingerprint sensor, but, of course, it wasn't. The same rumors then popped up for the upcoming Note 8, but based on the leaked images, the phablet S fingerprint scanner will probably be positioned on the back. So, when exactly will the company announce a smartphone with an in-display fingerprint sensor? According to a report from KGI, via 9to5 Google, this might happen in a little over a year. The first Samsung device with this technology would reportedly be the Galaxy Note 9, which will likely make its debut in August or September 2018. In terms of hardware, the Sharp Aquos S2 comes in two variations. The first makes use of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 630, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of internal memory. The second employs Snapdragon 660, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Both versions boast a 5.5-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2040 pixels. This means that the display comes with a 17:9 ratio, including the notification bar at the top. All of this is packed in a relatively compact body, which makes for a screen-to-body ratio of 87.5%. This beats the Samsung Galaxy S8.